أعوذ بالله من الشيطان اللعين الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي اللهم صل على فاطمة أبيها وأمها وبعلها وبنيها والسر المستودع فيها بعدد ما أحاط به علمك لنبشر أنفسنا بأن قد طهرنا بولاية حبيبة المصطفى قرينة المرتضى مبشرة الأولياء سيدة النساء فاطمة الزهراء وبلغها منا تحية وسلاما وآتنا من لدنك في حبها فضلا وإحسانا رحمة وغفرانا إنك ذو العفو الكريم يا أرحم الراحمين صلوات. Thank you very much, everyone. We all gathered here to serve Sahib al-Zaman Ajallahu Ta'ala Farajahu Sharif on this holy, auspicious occasion, holy birth of Sayyidati Mawlati Fatima Zahra Salamullahi Alayha. Also, we would like to congratulate everyone who is present here or not present, all over the world, ulama, fuqaha, urafa. May Allah bless us in these holy days to increase and uplift the ma'rifah of Sayyidat Nisa al-Alameen Salamullahi Alayha, and enlighten ourselves and practices with the true mawaddat of Fatima Zahra Salamullahi Alayha. Why it's important, why it's necessary, why it's obligatory? Because we believe that we are living in this world because of Sayyidati Mawlati Fatima Zahra. We are the prayer of Fatima. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajal. Within 2 points, I will leave our great Ayatollah and great scholar, the blessed presence of Ayatollah Sayyid Murtaza Kashmiri. I appreciate and I pray for him, his long, healthy life, inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bihaqqi sahib az-zaman bless him, best of health. And I really appreciate and inshallah pray for him. हम सब की तरफ से आगा बहुत अच्छी उर्दू बोलते हैं, इसलिए मैं उर्दू में भी हमारा प्रोग्राम हम उर्दू से भी इनलाइटन करें. तो हम बड़े मशकूर हैं, बड़े स्पासगुज़ार हैं कि आपने अपने कीमती वक्त से लब्बैक अज़हरा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, मदर्स, सिस्टर्स और हमारी यंग बच्चियों के लिए वक्त निकाला और बीबी पाक की वलादत के सदक़े में आप तशरीफ़ लाए. I have to, this is voice of my heart, to appreciate each and everyone who present here from all the way from Edinburgh, Glasgow and Manchester and Newport, Wales, Cardiff and London and Slough, Watford. Inshallah, Sayyidah Fatima Zahra Salamullahi have blessed all of you with the best of ma'rifah and best of rizq of Quran, rizq of ma'rifat Quran, rizq of recitation of Quran, and may Allah increase the darajat of our all marhumeen who are in at the time in Alam Barzakh. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless them. Rizq Fatimi from the Dastarkhan of Fatima Zahra, Rizq Zainabi, all of them who are in Alam Barzakh. Can I have loud salawat for our marhumeen and for you? Where is our connection? Where is my connection? I am here. My brother, respected, says, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Allahu nuru samawati wal arz, masalu nurihi kamishkatin fiha misbahun al-misbahu fi zujajatin az-zujajatu ka'annaha kawkabun durriyun yuqadu min shajaratin mubarakatin zaytunatin la sharqiyatan wala gharbiyya yakadu zaytuha yudhi'u walau lam tamsasu narun nurun ala nur. Here is our connection. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, greatest creator, wanted to explain the example of his nur, he said mishkat, ka mishkat. And here Imam Sadiq al-Islam says that the origin and haqiqat, the reality of mishkat is Fatimah al-Zahra salamullahi alayha. So wherever in Quran you read mishkat, the misal of the example of Allah's nur, the earth and skies are, enlightening. All lights are connected with the roots, the light of Fatimah al-Zahra. Even you see all galaxies, all suns, moons, everything, even the light at the moment, this nur we have, this all nur. You may think it's artificial, it's not. These all nur, even in our eyes, nur we got, it's nur of Fatimah al-Zahra. Origin is nur of Fatimah al-Zahra salamullah alayha. Wherever you see nur, the connection, origin is, the root is Fatimah al-Zahra salamullah alayha. So whenever you look and you watch something, be careful, because you are using the nur of Fatimah al-Zahra. You are benefiting yourself, nur of Fatimah al-Zahra. So don't watch anything which is no good for your health, for your soul and spirit. Be careful from this social media. The nur of Fatimah al-Zahra is protecting you through your eyes, through your soul, through your spirit, through her teachings. So take care of this libas of teaching, this honor of teaching, which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed us through Sayyidati Mawlati Fatimah al-Zahra salamullahi alayha. Salawat. Here we know everyone in this hadith that Sayyidah Fatimah al-Zahra salamullahi alayha, Prophet says, Fataqa nuru ibnati, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and khalaqa as-samawati wal ards. The khilqat, the creation of universe, is based on the nur of Fatimah al-Zahra. It means our creation, we are creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So in our creation, how we alive? With our soul and spirit. So our soul and spirit is connected with the nur of Fatimah al-Zahra. We would not be alive if there would not be a nur of Fatimah al-Zahra. If you are walking, you are breathing, you are practicing anything, this soul and spirit, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed you through the nur of Fatimah al-Zahra. Be careful. That's why Mawaddati Fatimah al-Zahra salamullahi alayha is obligatory. So, La as'alukum alayhi ajran illa al-mawaddatin fil qurba. We practice that love in love of Fatimah al-Zahra salamullahi alayha with these two messages. If you are alive, because of Sayyidati Mawlati Fatimah al-Zahra salamullahi alayha. Mothers, sisters, this day is day of promise. Aaj ka din, waade ka din, yadgari ka din. Remind karne ka din. We need to hold, we need to announce, we need to practice, we need to be careful, we need to spread the light of teachings of Fatimah al-Zahra salamullahi alayha. This is wajib. Only we recite poetry. Yes, this is very enlightening and joyful for our hearts. But reciting poetry and qasida and mankabat and mithat, yes, it's good. But we all have to be under this flag and this platform. We promised with the Sahib Zaman Ajallahu Ta'ala Farajahu Sharif, inshallah from that day, we will hold that light through our soul and spirit, and we will spread the message of teachings of Sayyidati Mawlati Fatimah al-Zahra salamullahi alayha. With this message, inshallah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you all. Thank you very much. Jazakumullah khair. As-sana al-jaza fi dunya wal akhirah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
LYZ TV. live the truth.